I just found a way to swap any token from any chain to any chain using router protocol. And these are the chains I can swap from. For this example, we'll swap MATIC on the Polygon Network for DEAPcoin on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now we're going to click here to select the MATIC token from the Polygon Network. And we'll click here to see the chains that we can swap to. And just select Binance Smart Chain. Now we'll need to get the token address, DEAPcoin's token address from CoinMarketCap. So let's go ahead to CoinMarketCap.com and we'll just key in DEAPcoin. And here you'll see the token address for DEAPcoin on the Ethereum mainnet. And if you click more, you can see the token address of DEAPcoin on the other mainnets, the other blockchains as well. So we'll pick the BSC one and copy it. Now let's go back to router protocol and click on the token that we want to swap to and paste the token address of DEAPcoin, click add and import it. We'll swap 5 MATIC for some DEAPcoin from Polygon onto BSC. Next, click on the fee token button. There is a bridge fee for using router, which we can pay using USDC, Route, Define, or MATIC. Pro tip, paying the bridging fee with Route gives you the highest discount. So we'll pick Route and hit swap if the details are correct and hit confirm swap. Now we'll have to confirm this on our MetaMask as well. So just hit confirm. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete. Now our 5 MATIC will be deducted, and that means that the transaction is complete on the Polygon side, which is the source network. Now let's wait and maybe click refresh to see how it's doing on the BSC side. Now let's click on the tokens and you can see that instead of 0 DEAPcoin, we now have an amount of DEAPcoin, which means the transaction has also completed on the BSC side. Now if you don't see the DEAPcoin token in your MetaMask wallet, you just have to head to CoinMarketCap and click on the MetaMask icon next to the contract address, which will help you add it to your wallet. Now once we add the token, and let's click on MetaMask again, and you should see the token, the DEAPcoin tokens, there we go, with the logo there. Now how about you try it out for yourself at routerprotocol.com. Follow us at Router Protocol to stay updated with our latest developments. Want to know more about Route? Join us in Telegram and Discord, where you'll get to meet other community members and get your questions answered. I'll see you there.